people, it's morning time here and it's morning raining here in Cebu. So the mountain is fogging, though it's not hard rain, but still raining like showering rain. So I just want to show you the mountain here covered by fog. Look at that. Look at that. So as I said, it's not heavy rain, it's only showering rain, but still raining. Look, look at the cloud covered by the mountain. In there too. And I get my man there. We're preparing ourselves because today we will go to the Ocean World, Cebu. So, yeah. So we're just waiting the time because yesterday I texted the cab driver to pick us around 10 o'clock here. So I'm just dressed myself already and my man is not yet. So he's there looking at the cloudy mountain, fogging mountain. Yeah, so as you can see, people, I just hanging our um, blanket there and our pillow because I used to wash them early and so bad because it's raining. I cannot hang that one outside. So what we did, my man used to hang the pillow cover there, up there. Go, he just put there but I think inches apart from the ceiling, and that's our pillow. And this blanket here, that mattress there, covered mattress covered. We're gonna bring that one down there, and I think we have to pay that for washing because that cannot fit here in our washing machine. So that's for today's video, people. I'm going to do video later ahead when we're in the ocean world na. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. God bless.